Yeah, man.
This is a soursop fruit. Hello, I am Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me make soursop juice condensed milk drinks. Get 1.5 pound ripening soursop fruit, 3/4 cup between 1 cup sugar. I am using brown sugar. You could use granulated instead. 1/4 teaspoon rounded nutmeg. This is optional. 1/4 cup condensed milk. 3 cups water. For the recipe, visit JamaicanCookings.com, JamaicanDinners.com. Wash the soursop fruit clean. To do this, first, pour enough water into a bowl. Add half between 1 teaspoon salt in the water. You could use distilled white vinegar instead. No. Use your hand with your fingers. Rub the skin of the soursop fruit clean. After that, rinse it with fresh water. Ensure you removed the insects. Get a big enough bowl ready. Put soursop fruit into the bowl. Use your hand with your fingers. Peel the soursop fruit. Do like me. Peel soursop fruit. Use your fingers to peel the soursop fruit. This soursop fruit is fit. It is ripening. It's best if you use a full ripening soursop fruit. The skin on this soursop fruit is a bit challenging to remove. Nevertheless, remove the soursop's fruit skin. If a piece of the skin is still stick to the fruit, it is okay. Just remove as much as you can. Add 3 cups water. To remove the soursop juice that is in the soursop fruit, use your hand with your fingers. Squeeze the fruit in the water. To remove the soursop juice that is in the soursop fruit, put the fruit mash between your palm. Squeeze it hard. Squeeze it tight to remove remaining juice. You could put the fruit between your palm as if you're clasping it. Move your hand from side to side. Squeeze the soursop fruit in the water. Squeeze it tight to remove remaining juice. Squeeze the soursop fruit juice in the water. Get a bowl ready. When you feel like you cannot squeeze it anymore and the soursop fruit juice is in the water, put the soursop fruit juice fiber or mash between your palm. Squeeze it hard to remove remaining juice. This is trash. Throw it away. Do this until there is no more fiber to squeeze. Next, get a clean strainer and a clean bowl ready. Put the clean strainer on top the bowl. Pour the Soursop juice water with a little bit fiber and the seeds in it through the strainer into the bowl. If you're not sure, do it like me. Allow the Soursop juice water to drain through the strainer into the bowl. To let it drain fast, put a spoon in the strainer. Move it from side to side and around. This will allow it to drain fast. This will let it drain fast. After that, use the same spoon. Press on the fiber that is on the strainer to remove remaining juice. If you're unsure, do it like me. Next, measure and add 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, grounded nutmeg, measure and add 3/4 cup between 1 cup sugar. I am using brown sugar. You could use granulated instead. This spoon that I'm using measures 1/4 cup. Measure and add 1/4 cup condensed milk. Now, use a spoon. Stir it well. Stir these drinks well. Stir the Soursop fruit juice drinks properly. Stir it until you cannot feel sugar grain on the bowl's bottom, on the bottom of the bowl. Taste it. Is it just right? Taste it. 3/4 cup is right for me. Taste it. Is it sweet enough for you? Finally, pour the Soursop juice, condensed milk drinks into a jar. Keep it in the refrigerator between 4 days only. To preserve this Soursop juice milk drinks, pour it into a clean plastic bag such as this. You could use Ziploc, plastic container with a lid, whatever. Freeze it for 6 months or longer. See, look, no sugars in the bowl. This recipe is in drink book, Jamaican Juice Drinks, Aphrodisiac Tonics and Wine. Look for it on Amazon.com. To serve this Soursop juice milk drinks, ensure to mix it well before you serve it. this Soursop juice condensed milk drinks is best served cool on ice. This is Soursop juice milk drinks or Soursop juice condensed milk drinks. Visit JamaicanCookings.com, JamaicanDinners.com. The flavor has the unique flavor of Soursop. Some people add about quarter between 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Recipe is in drink book Jamaican Juice Drinks. To me, it's almost near the flavor of vanilla, like vanilla ice cream type of thing. Yeah, but the flavor is uniquely Soursop fruit. If you should describe the flavor to be near something, I would say vanilla ice cream or whatever. What good? Me gone.